Santo Domingo, the vibrant capital of the Dominican Republic, is a fascinating destination for those who want to experience adventure, culture, and history. Considered the oldest European colony in the New World, this city combines historical treasures with a vibrant modern life and offers something for every traveler. Now our question is, how to get there from Bavaro, Punta Cana to Santo Domingo. And this is what we're figuring out today. I'm taking the bus for you and show you how to take the bus from Bavaro to Santo Domingo. Welcome back here to Punta Cana, all you can see. Buy your ticket here at the boleteria before you go. You can even buy it a couple of days before, and you can choose your seat. So the earlier you make your reservation, the better the seat choice you have. Check the schedule on the website here from Aptra or as well from Expresso Bavaro. You can go a couple of times per day, starting at 7, and the last one I think is at 5 o'clock. So between then, there are a couple of buses which you can take to come to Santo Domingo. The bus to Santo Domingo leaves at 11. Charlie is buying my ticket. And I still can choose if I want to sit in the upper or the lower level. This is my bus. I'm leaving at 11 and I'm getting in the bus here in Bavaro, Punta Cana, and the first stop is going to be in Verón. Sometimes it takes an hour to leave the area, so let's see. We are leaving on time, believe it or not. Just go, stop anticipating something you can't hold. More power in your hands. Under the surface there's a man who understands. High time for more change. If there's a diamond in the rough, I'm on my way. Close calls I don't need. If there's a stone to walk, I'm here to let it be. Here you have what I would call a little service area. You can control your air conditioning, you can call the cobrador, have light, you cannot have drinks. And here you can plug in your device, your USB device. Mine weren't working, so I recommend you to bring a power bank. None of them was working. So we left Bavaro and we passed through Verón. Took us about an hour to get here. That's the first toll station on the highway to Santo Domingo. From here on, it's about 2 hours driving straight on the highway. So I'm going to lean back and just enjoy the view before we come to our first stops. If your final destination is not Santo Domingo and you have to change buses at one of the stops, in the best case, you have checked the stations where they stop actually and have taken some notes for where you want to go and which bus you have to take. Let the cobrador know that you want to change the bus and where, and if he remembers, he will tell you where to get off. If you have a local sitting next to you, it's always a good idea to tell them also where you want to change the bus, and if the cobrador doesn't remember, they probably do. some people got off here, some people that live in Boca Chica or want to catch a bus to where they have to go. And I think the next stop will be for the people that go to Samana, that get off the bus here and then step on the bus to go to Samana, which is, you don't need to taxi, nothing. He just stops and you cross the road and there you are. So we're very close to Santo Domingo already. Around the corner here is Caribe Tours. The Cobrador will announce it. Caribe Tours goes all over the Dominican Republic with their buses, except of Bavaro. So a lot of people get off here and just change the bus to go to different cities. And we arrived. There is a bus. We are close to Parque Enriquillo. And now the good part starts. When I come to Santo Domingo, I usually drive to Parque Enriquillo because I love to go down Chinatown. Have a look to the left and to the right. And that's what I'm doing right now. Coming to the old city, of course. It is not a video about Santo Domingo, but walking down here from the bus station down. You can walk here until you come to the Malecon, to the ocean. And well, yeah, I just wanted to give you a little insight if you come here by bus that this is one thing that you can do, walk down here from Parque Enriquillo, Chinatown, the old city, and come to the Malecon. With a view of the old city, I let you go. Thanks for watching Punta Cana, all you can see. That's it for today. And then I hope I will see you again in another video here on the channel.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. La 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 la, la casa del merengue. La 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 la, y la casa de la bachata.